Hypixel.
Hey guys, it's Chum here, and today we are going to be playing some BSG. Now, I was going to go Scout, but it's Peaks, and it's not really a good map to run around in with speed pots or whatever. So I'm actually going to be going Creeper Tamer 7. It's an iron chest plate, wood axe, I think it's a wood axe, wood sword, creeper eggs, and TNT. But I apologize if you guys can hear the background noise, because that's just my family. Yeah, they're making a ton of noise back there. Yeah, you know, I apologize. Now, let's see. Need some leggings, boots, and a good helmet. Nothing here. Better be, nope. Oh, come on. You did like one hit to me and then you run off. Thank you for the sword, though. Oh, there's a quest. Alright. Because this is actually my, one of my first games of Blitz for today. Let's see, we're gonna put that there. Anything in this chest? Helmet. Oh, don't take it. No, nothing good. What about up here? There has to be something over here. I bet there is. No. Oh. Somebody already went here. We're gonna see if we can take this dude. Ooh, well, we don't really need that. We're about to get our iron chest plate. Oh, we could take him. I want that iron helmet. What kit did they go? Oh, it's an archer, but we're gonna go in anyways. Well, that didn't turn out so well. We're actually gonna wait for him to come out, and we're gonna chase after him, because I want that bow. We're gonna get up here, actually. Pretend we ran off. So you going back that way? He is. We'll have to meet up at the other side, or we can just go the way we came. Probably think to the left. Let's take him. I want the bow. Sorry. I'm breaking one. Okay. Let's get all this stuff. Yeah, I think we're pretty good. Excuse me. I need to get on this block. There we go. Oh! Perfect opportunity. Whoa, he did not look legit. I'm gonna have to watch that again, because that was crazy. That was just weird. I'm gonna have to watch that again. Better pants. What about his leggings? He had gold leggings. Where did those go? Might have gone underwater. We're gonna check. Anything? Oh, I guess not. Well, we missed out on a good pair of leggings. That's a shame. Do I have it in my inventory? I do not. He was a scout. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is perfect. I think we just won the game. Now, I'm gonna get the Blitz star. It's the only way I'm probably gonna win also. Other than the scout pots. Let's see. Anybody up here? No, we're gonna go ahead and spawn our creepers. There's somebody up here. I'm gonna get ready to drink a speed pot and go all in. Not all in, but in. Yeah, you know what I mean. Come on. Come up those stairs. Gonna run away. We're gonna go back in. Oh god, the lag. Nope, I'm sorry. And I bet somebody's gonna try and clean us up. No Blitz star. Damn, it's not a mid. Okay, what did this dude have? What kind of sword was that? Sharpness 1. Okay, he was a slimy slime, it looks like. Alright, let's move on. Hopefully it's in one of these chests up here. If not, might be screwed over. Did he have good leggings? I need to check. Because I can't stay in these leggings. No. Yeah, he did. I thought I heard somebody. It's my creeper walking. We are full blitz armor. Okay, Frisky Dog found the blitz star. To be honest, I don't think he has anything. If he does, well, who knows? What are we gonna do? I don't know. I think we're set for right now. I'm gonna just pretty much camp it out. You know what? No. Where's my compass? Here we are. This way. All right, closest players this way. It's gonna hit. I might just block hit the rest of the game. It really depends on how stacked they are. But let's see how good this player is over here. Max blitz armor. That's nice. Oh, we could take this dude. We'll go into deathmatch. Oh, it's him. I'll kill him. Get his blitz star real quick, and then. Blitz star? Blitz star? He had it! Where is it? He must have threw it out, probably because he had nothing. Shit. Well, let me get those eggs. There we go. Put that there. Let's go ahead and eat. Probably gonna win this game. Yeah, I think we're good enough. Is there anybody around me? Closest players this way. I'm just gonna try and see if they're gonna enchant at mid, or if I could get a glimpse at how good they are in armor. Who am I going up against? Nope, looks like we're not gonna be able to, because deathmatch is in 3 seconds. Okay, let's see how good these guys are. Okay, nothing here. Nothing I need. Okay, we got this dude. Okay, we should be good. I think we should be good. We're just gonna start taunt killing this dude. Where are you going? And this dude, we're just gonna have a little fun. He must be lagging real bad. He tried. He tried. It's all that matters. Anyways, we are going to be moving on to the next game. Okay guys, we are back in the game. Now, this game I went Scout because, I mean, this isn't the best map for Scout, but I think it's pretty ideal for Scout. Or, I wouldn't say ideal, I mean, okay for Scout, I guess. So, yeah, we're going to go Scout. Might as well get these chests right here. That one, maybe that one, because nobody's right here. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's see what I get. Oh, I mean, I got a good with sword and I got knocked back, but that's okay because I have a sword and I'm happy. Let's see. My usual chest route for this map is by this cave. And sometimes I either head off into the mountains over there or like all the way over there. It really depends on who's, you know, who's by me, you know, who's coming for me. Yeah, you know what I mean. Diamond. Where'd my sword go? Where did it? I didn't drop it in the water. I know that for sure. It just disappeared. My sword just disappeared. If we went Creeper Tamer, we would have been pretty well off on armor. Damn. Hopefully you got a stone sword up here. Oh, okay. That's nice. I mean, yeah, we're good on armor. Nothing here. Anyone behind me? Nope, we're all good. Alright, time to strafe some people. I would go get those chests up there, but I don't really feel like it. I just want to get right into the combat. Closest person on my compass is this way. Oh. I want that chest plate. Yes, please. Thank you. Good chest plate. There we go. What is this? No, we don't really need that. We have better stuff. Let's go ahead and enchant at mid. Did he have anything? No, not really, other than the chest plate, which is pretty nice. But yeah, I need to get sharpness 1 at mid, or else I might just be done for this game. Is anybody over there? No, it's all clear. We're gonna get right in, right out. There is actually somebody there. We're gonna take them. I don't care how good they are in armor, which they're not good on armor. have the feeling someone's behind me. Nope, I guess not. Well, we're all good. Did he have any? No. Okay. Anything we need from him? I found out that if you enchant a wood sword to sharpness 1, like that's all you have for the game, it's actually, if you enchant a wood sword to sharpness 1, I found out that it's actually equivalent to a stone sword, which is actually pretty cool. So that's actually something I have to do if I don't get a good sword, really. Now, I do want the Blitz Star, so we are going to camp mid. Is there anybody here? Nope, nobody here. Just need to look out. Closest person is this way. Oh, hold up. Do they have any extra? I'll take that. No, I didn't want everything. Damn it. I just wanted that steak that he had. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. This is just in case I run out on food or some shit like that. Now, anybody over here? Anybody want to fight me? Yes, no? Alright, yeah, well, I'm going to go ahead and drink a speed pot because I want to be fast when looting this. Because there's going to be players coming over here. Closest player is right there, which I see him. No use in hiding. God, I'm slow at this today. Why? No way. Oh, there we go. We are all good. We're probably going to win this. Now, I usually do Vault Hunter. I need to pick more power-ups. Let's see. Diamond Sword. I'm breaking 3. We're going to go with the Diamond Sword. It's the best. Diamond Sword and Speed Pots. That's a win right there. Now, this dude has a bunch of cows over here, so I might take this dude. Unbreaking 3. Okay, I mean, I don't see why I would need Unbreaking 3 with a diamond sword if it's in Blitz. But sure, why not? Now, where's this dude going? I'm just trying to follow his cows. Why not follow my compass? If deathmatch could come in a few seconds, that would be very nice. Place that. Nope. Oh, he must have went into the cave. Yeah, he did. We're gonna take him in there then. Oh, yeah, I see him. Wait, do I see him? I don't see him. I don't know what I'm seeing. I'm hallucinating. Yeah, you're probably gonna hear that sound in the background. Oh, it's actually on my phone. Hold up. I guess my phone started ringing. No, we are gonna deny that. Sorry about that. I got a brand new phone. Like, it was my iPhone 4. I know I had an old phone, it broke, and then I had to get a replacement phone. So I don't even know what kind of phone this is, but hey, it's a phone, and I haven't changed the ringtone yet. But I do notice that there's a guy. We're gonna shoot him. I might want to become an archer. It's a good kit. I'm gonna chase this dude down. The only thing I don't like is it's on the ice if I'm ever gonna fight him, so if I'm fighting him, I'm getting on snow so I can speed pot. Because ice, it just doesn't work out. It never works out. At least for me. Anybody at mid? No, closest dude is still this way. We need to kill some people so we can get into deathmatch. Oh, right over here. Oh! I'm gonna block hit you, sir. Yeah, I know. I feel really bad for doing that, but I had to do it because he fishing rodded me. And, yeah. Oh, God, I feel really bad. Nope. Nothing I really need. Just get one more player. I think that'll send us in a death match. Either 2 or 1 more player. We're gonna go ahead and go over here and see who we can kill. I didn't even see him at first. That was a good hiding spot. Should we? I think we should. Stake him. I don't think he knows we're here. He probably does, but... Okay, he tried. Is that another diamond? 2 diamonds. If there is, well, what's the point of 2 diamonds? I don't know what I'm talking about. If there's an anvil, I mean, do you have sticks? I mean, could we do anything with it? What we could do is we could actually enchant sticks. Make it a sharpness instead of whatever it is now. Damn, he has no sticks. Does have a slowness pot. I want it. Put that right there. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to wait till deathmatch. Closest person is over here, so we're gonna see how good he is on armor, if he's shit, or if he's pretty damn stacked. More than me. I think Beefy is, yeah, he's probably pretty good. Yeah, he's pretty good. Oh god, that was a failure. Why are you targeting me? Target Beefy, please. And then Beefy's gonna come in for the cleanup. Ah, shit, I might be dead, This isn't good. GG Beefy cleanup. Oh god. Ah. I just had to say it. I need to get my anger out. But anyways, this is actually the first episode for Blood Survival Games. I'm gonna go ahead and end it as it is. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.